how much time Vanny come by yourself when people do our things or some at my Vanny come out and expose them all our man. Eh? Our man, our ex, our baby father. Eh? How come Vanny come and start be liar in that situation? I not understand. Hey, me not like how the hypocrite and wicked when you know want they gift them in a good girl. Hey, me not like you know, mama. Me not like hypocrite, you know. You're a hypocrite blood clot girl, you know. You're a hypocrite blood clot girl, you know. So Batty man can't use you. Let me take time and talk, because that run up my pressure. So a Batty man can't use you, right? Forgive coins and views. You understand what I say? Right? Come in my life and pretend at the end of the day. You understand me? That same man, oh, me not hear your talk say, him say, it was just a series. Now you own him and say, it is my man. But you know, remember say that same man go on someone else live and tell them say it is a series. I force me, I force them in a relationship. Why nobody not talk about what that person do to Annie? But to not talk about me or me come express myself.
Okay, boom viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know that thing's set, but blessed. You also know the story incomplete if minute upon the beat and it can't see. On the screen, Skit Queen Annie is back at it again, my people. I'm not gonna lie to you. She is calling out Ivany once again. The video you seen in the beginning was from last night, but she just dropped another video and you're going to watch now. Basically saying she have no saying at this. This is what I say, and at the said time, Yankee cannot bring no lawsuit against her, nor can she be locked up for revenge, you know what, because she have her proof. Yes, and she said there's not only one tape, my people, a 4 tape. This is what I say, and 2 picture. You know what I mean? She went on to disclose that, you know, one Yankee, you know, I think I guess try to bad her up in our house, you know, so in family tell Annie to kick him out of the yard and all type of baggerness, you know, my people. Yeah, so let's hear what I go on for that to go on and proceed with the next.
Over your style, the man. You know, sister Yankee rate you. Oh, and you are the problem of your dirty family. And me keep on a wallet. And he keep on a watch you no comment and a smile and feel good or fight. And the man a gloat now. You get what me I say till the man start this me I feel comfortable because me no send nothing to nobody. The night when time I find out, say him is the night when I find out the video, and I put it towards it, right? I put it towards him when I find out the video. The night, at the same night, Yankee fucking assault me. Baby, watch your tablet downstairs and close the door. Tell daddy give you the cold water, please, and close the door. Tell Josie give it to you. Alright? I'm not going to depend this with you, know, because I know all guys can't tap up a screen. I don't eat me like a dose of poison, you know, bro. And that's okay, you know. Me just live with that. I promise you, me I go live with it. I promise you to my life. You understand me, chat? Can I have some taps, please? Please, I'm asking. Right? They're going to some taps and bless up a screen. I will live with it. You see me, because I see some girl come on this and them come and them do all different type of things on social media. Girl like Ivany will come out and expose man and all different type of something. I know them a come and I take up topic and attack all different type of thing. Right? By the way, me go screenshot my ultrasound and me want to put my ultrasound here so. Right? Me go show you text between me and your mother. To show you how serious me be. Me I go show you the ultrasound and me I go screenshot the text and show you the text between his mother. And mother make me never expose him. And mother make me not expose him. Me send the video to him father. Me send the video to him auntie. You understand me? Me a girl me no hold down nothing. Cause certain things me can't hold down. And me tell you about me. That's how me stay in a real life. Me no hold down things. Me no want to know your secret. You understand me? I say because I can't wear nothing heavy on my stomach. Right? The same night when time I find out say this man there with the man. At the same night this man fucking assault me. At the same night, this man do what he do. And the man do it with no remorse, like me they are prison, like a some prison type of thing the man pull out for me. You understand? I'm anti-comfort me the night. The whole night I'm anti-comfort me. I'ma call two of my friends them ASAP in the morning and tell them what go down. Tell them exactly what I'm doing at the night to me. My friend them said to me, say, yo, and get rid of them out of the house. That too much. That means say we go towards your youth. You understand what I say? My friend them tell me, say, yo, anything you depend. By the way, I two friends were close to me. When me can always talk to. They say, Annie, anything where you need, make we know. Get rid of him from the house. If him do that to you, he might go do worse. You understand what I say? My girl, them stay up on the phone, them comfort me. Me no come on the internet and say it to nobody. You understand? Me turn to him auntie. And me say to him auntie. Me tell him auntie everything. Me send the proof to him auntie. Him auntie turn on and say, Bumbo clad Annie. Annie so the man a Batty man Annie. He wanna auntie say, me can't believe this Annie. Annie like, seriously, me shock. Cause a boy where me love. You understand me? The auntie turned and said to me, said, yo, Batty man a real Batty man girl. Me said, yes. And me don't know what to do. Me don't know what to do. Him auntie said to me, say, Annie, does school, me I beg you, just hold it down for me. Me I beg you, hold it down. You understand? Because this would have kill him mother. You see me? Right? I'ma continue hold on, bro. Me continue hold out. You see me? She keep on, she say, Annie, here what? Remember, see your baby father. So just go and hold it for me. You see me? We are going to talk to him. Me say, I don't need to talk to him. I don't need to talk to him because this way I do, I can't live with things like this. You see me? Me say him say leave out of my house. Him never left out of my house. Me say leave out of my house. Him never did leave. You understand me? I say, and me get really upset and me say, yo, me I say, big man, you can't stay here, so. Because you know the reason why me tell him to left? Afterward, when them talk to me and him auntie talk to me, at the night when him go out with the man, when the man come call him at my yard gate, he make me started to think different. He make me start pretty different. Even when him come in at the house in the night after him go out, me just draw away from him, me get up, me move and make him sleep in the bed. Cause my head my brains are tell me now, say, yo, a day him go there with him man now, you know. Remember me see certain things, you know, so it's like, it a play me in my mind like certain things. Me just paranoid then. You get what me I say? Cause now me know and me see who you is. I am so paranoid over every little thing like, right? Now when the man sister will agree, like me, him and his family agree, and we say, all right, then hold it down and we are begging if you can't, no bother make nobody know this. Like the man get comfortable. The man get real comfortable now because him sister me and hold it and me not tell nobody what I want. You understand what me I say? The man get comfortable now. She not talk, she not tell nobody. Me not hear she come out and me not hear she say it to nobody at all. Right? So when I not talk about me run, come out here, come expose people. Bro, me think before me even come out here, so. Me say to him family member before me even come out here, so. Me send the video, go give him people them and show them exactly what I do. By the way, me should have sent the rest of the video, go show him people them. And that me should have do. Right? No, this is it when me I said to you, hold on there. After him mother and him auntie and everybody talk to me, right? Him auntie said to me, say, Annie, I use the boy, I use you. You understand me? Him auntie look at me and say, Annie, you me I say, Annie, right? I use the boy, I use you, Annie. I style the boy, I style you, Annie. Can me make a woman see everything. She said, Annie, you me I say, right? You need to focus by yourself and avoid the boy because the boy you style him a style and him know say it on the internet and you struggle. So when me say to him auntie said to me, say, all right then, me I go talk to him. When him auntie do talk to him auntie come back to me and she reason with me. So we talk back and forward on the phone. Right? All right, him auntie talk to him now, you know. When him auntie talk to him, his mother say him talk to him, but we don't make him mother know certain things because we don't want him mother feel that we as a mother say him son out here do certain little things. You understand me? So me did it now, me still did it. Me I do what I have to do. You understand? His mother said money come for me do my ultrasound and whatever for you. Me thank her for that. The man take the money. At the same night when he go with the other person. When the man come shout him at the gate, him take the money and him go out with the fucking man. That the night there, between man and him can't find the money. Me don't know where the money go. Me don't know where the money go. And his mother tell himself, he give me the money. But he did not give me the money. Him take the money and go with the money. Right? Alright then. Me did it with him. Mama, me a hold it. Me a hold it. Anybody me a talk to upon the phone, me a talk to my friend them upon the phone. Me no contact upon the media. Me hold it, bro. Right? Not until me there in my freaking bed. I in the bed me there. Right? And that's what me tell you part of that story there yesterday. Me tell you part of this story yesterday. And when me turn round in the bed, you would have hear the bed a vibrate. I mean, I clean up my words today so I know when I say out of my mouth. Me uncle hear the bed a vibrate, me turn round. When I turn round and look, the man did a bangy and I look on his phone. The man did a bangy and I look on his phone. So me turn, when I look so, me say, really? Because I want to see me catch him in the act. Me say, really? But guess what? I never see where I look on the phone. I never see where I look on the phone. So, and him a bangy. So I say, really, my youth? I say, really? You get what I say? I'm going to grab my pillow. I'm going to go downstairs, go sleep in the settee. I make him stay in the room. You understand? That's the reason why. That's the reason why I come up in my head and I say, you know me, I go search your phone. You know me, I go search your phone. Because I don't just take up your phone and search it so. And when I see him do that, I say, something in the phone. And I say, I want to see a way in the phone. Because I don't see say you're Ray already. I don't see Ray about you already. I don't see the man send video come give me. No, I turn around come see in the bed and bang it. I say, I want to see way in the phone. I wait till him asleep. Him drop asleep, I go in the phone. I search the phone. When I search the phone, I couldn't find certain things. When I sit on TikTok, the woman with them we are looking on TikTok. But I have no proof over this. So I continue and search till I see hidden photos. When I see hidden photos now, I see them have a code on it. I go through and I pass the code. When I pass the code now, here goes my book up and gas. Surprise! Again. So that means say, even when time your people them tell me to hold it down when me know say you are fish. When me know say you are big batty man. Me I go up in your phone now. Me still not tell nobody about you. Right? Your mother said do it for the sake of the baby. Remember say you carry a baby Annie. You understand me? I say so please me I beg you Annie. Hold it down for me. And when me could don't do that now, and me did them, me not say it to nobody. You understand me? I say, but going now, me take your phone and me go up in the phone now. When me look up in the phone now, surprise. Not one, not two, not three. 4 videos. 4 videos. By the way, 2 pictures, 2 videos. 2 pictures, 2 videos. Right? Me click and I look on it. First video, I with him. Second video, right? I with your head behind the big old booty licking like an ice cream. The other picture are your ex. Best of 2025, where she lie down back with your panny bed and I just her Batty alone, your picture. I can't show certain things for this. I'm not show nobody nothing no more. A back way you take a picture with the girl booty and her booty so and you edit it best of 2025. So when I see that now, I flip. I not lie to you. Woman to woman, I flip. You understand me? And at this time now, I start praying. So when me and him in the car, I turn to him and I say to him, so, and when we are get married, because I know say it is a plan. So me keep on depend him and I ask him question now. Right? So me depend him now and me a question him. Right? You hear him say, me buy ring. By the way, I soon go on the ring party. I start questioning him now because you say we engage. Me and your fiance, me and your wife to be. You understand me? I say me and your boo. So when me do now, I start questioning him. So me didn't know me I say, so when we are gonna have the baby? No, me say when we are gonna have the wedding? We are gonna have the wedding before having the baby or after the baby? Me keep on ask questions. And the man turn on, what the fuck you keep on asking me so much question for? What the fuck every second you come up with fucking, in every second you just repeat your fucking self. And I saw the man, you know, and the man turn Jamaican, you know. Accent Ghana, everything, you know. Accent Ghana, everything, you know, because me come now and me a question him, you know. You understand? So him want tell me something one time and me fi do sup it. Queen, thank you, baby. Him tell me something once, so what him do, he want me sup it and me not fi question him again. You understand me? What the fuck you keep on coming and ask me question for? You love repeat your fucking self every fucking second you come. And me say, who you attack to? Me say, big man, who you attack to? Me attack? Me say, I could never me your chat. Because I one question I ask you. So why are you getting so irritating? Why are you so irritated when I ask you these questions? Remember, say, you come out here and I tell people, say, me and you get married, you know. So big man, me say, me ask you a question. But the reason why me keep on a question him is because me know say him have a plan. Me know say him have a plan. But me, I'm cover up. You understand what me I say? Me as somebody where I use for that cover up. When him start disrespect me now, I comes to Boobson and I pre out and I reach up on me yard and I say, big man, here what me I say to you now. Me ask if you can go on. Me ask if you can go on where you go. Please, me I beg you. I say, I don't want an argument with you and I don't want me to catch up certain way. Me ask if you can go on where you go. You understand? And I just so now I start get bring up on him like I start put on my foot. When anybody takes and asks me a question, I start get serious with them and I tell them my mind. Because them are the same people who are influence me. Them are the same people who are tell me, own a family member them, keep on and tell me things. I mean, no, say it isn't so because them are friend me just because they don't want certain things to come out. Me are not idiot, we are talking about. We can't turn on the comments. I swear to God, we can't turn on the comments. I swear, I say me no business, you know. But I say this, as someone me used to where people bash me and drag me. As someone me used to on social media where people don't like me. So, you even no need to kill up myself, none at all. People are going to say what them have to say. You understand me? I sue for blood clot sue. Understand that. I sue for sue. Remember me tell you that. Anything a man depend me depend. If a court we are going to court together. We're going there. You understand me? Alright. Me text and tell everybody. Me text and making people them know. Me tell them straight. So listen to me, you know. I done, you know. I'm going to talk my mind. I'm not really care what I go come after. Valentine's time, right? All of una day here start talk. Valentine's time, I'm mad at helping by the ring. As some me know, so me not gonna regret nothing. Me can restart. No worry, me I go restart. Valentine's time, right? I'm mad at helping by the ring. Turn on the comment section when me talk to my people them. Right? Me get that big old dirty. Me get that one. This. Me get this. Right? Me I go restart it. Turn on the comments. This coming with some more stuff. The chain, when me dash you over this, so me no care what you want to call it. Right? Me give him 1,000. Me give him $150. $150 I gave him. Right? When him come and say, baby, I'm a black that girl, yeah.
As usual, people believe in what you want to hear because I not buy what them people are selling, you know, because them story is very serious because that series them are run. But me just giving them quick update what I go on for not to go on, and they said she can't be arrested for you know what and lawsuit because she have our proof. You feel me? Anyway, people don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest. Bless.